Hello everyone, my name is Charles Chege. I'm the Executive Director of Husisha Initiative, a non-profit based in Nairobi, Kenya, where we promote interactive learning in informal settlements and rural areas. One of the biggest challenges in Kenya is the digital divide. There is lack of internet access which create a significant barriers to education and communication. And we have an innovative solutions called Irevu, which has been going on for the last 7 years. We used to use legacy technology like Flash, Adobe Air, and SQLite to develop CD-ROM based content. Now, recently we discovered two important tools that forms part of the solution to address the challenges which involve lack of access to the internet. 40% of the Kenyans in rural areas and informal settlements lack access to the internet. Also, there is limited access to educational resources. Since 2003, the country has been struggling to develop e-learning and interactive content for primary and secondary education. Very little has happened. And also inequitable access and cultural relevance. Most of the content that is available has been developed in the West and does not resonate with the cultural and language of the people. The second is the limited distributional channels. Our solutions, which is use of two tools, is making offline content, educational content, accessible to rural and people in informal settlements. And we are using a Raspberry Pi. A Raspberry Pi, this palm size computer, is very powerful and also affordable. Raspberry Pi 3 is accessible with $30, and it can be used to transform into offline learning station when it's preloaded with educational content which are tailored to the community needs. The other one is Thonkable, which helps us to prototype very quickly. We develop apps, educational apps for offline use, and collaboration with other partners like Youth Initiative Kenya and Kenya Innovational Week, so that we can be able to give access to people in informal settlement and rural areas who most of the time don't have access to the internet. So we are partnering with community-based organization and other civil societies. We are designing an innovative distribution model whereby we are going to have Raspberry Pi installed with e-learning content and accessed in remote areas, in libraries, in community centers, and community hubs to offer offline learning. Our call is to action is to join us to implement these practical offline education solutions. You can see here it's very small. You can see these are USB connectors to connect with the monitor, to connect with other peripheral devices. You can connect with the cameras, and what you need, basically you need an SD card which will act as the storage, and 16 GB is sufficient, and that is installed with an OS, a Raspbian OS, and also a power supply. Another aspect is how you can be able to connect with a HDMI monitor using these connectors here, and also a mouse and a keyboard. Raspberry Pi, you can have a case and also access content using this model. Let's go through the Thankable. Um, what happens in the Thankable is you can block. There's a free version. Uh, you can create a sample a project. You can create a new project here. Um, for example, you can edit maths offline. And after creating it, categories for education. Um, let's create, and it will have a block whereby you can be able to drag and drop the interface elements, the menu, uh, the design aspect. You can be able, these are the buttons, the labels, you can drag them here, and blocks is the logic behind it. You connect with the logic, with the maths, and let me showcase what we are doing with it. This is a healthy self-esteem course consisting of 16 modules: healthy self-esteem, sources of self-confidence, gratitude. For example, let us look at the gratitude module, and there it is. Let's move. So it defines the course objectives here, define the gratitude benefits of practice, and the first question, what is gratitude, you say. And I think gratitude is what is feeling worthy. Let's check, submit. Thank you. The following is your description of gratitude. Is feeling worthy compared to the following. Gratitude is an attitude of thankfulness and appreciation. So I compare my own definition with the definition given in the tutorial, and I learn from it. And you can go ahead, list benefits of gratitude. Benefits of gratitude is positive emotions. Probably, yes, thank you. The following is a list of gratitude benefit research on how each benefits. Nice. Now I get to learn after answering. I get to see other benefits of gratitude. This is something we are doing it with Thankable, and here with the Raspberry Pi. This course can be able to be accessed offline to people in remote areas. We have the pivot. Let's move the world. Thank you.